The 2008 Pontiac Grand Prix. The Grand Prix has come a long way since its original introduction in the early 1960s. But one thing that hasn't changed over the years is the Grand Prix's quality-built, powerful performance. With either a V6 or V8 engine and a driver-friendly cockpit, the Grand Prix is a fun ride and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.